हेलो गाइस, परव के चैनल पे आपका स्वागत है। तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं ह्यूमन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम के कुछ फंक्शंस। तो मेरी वीडियो के साथ बने रहिए, हम पूरी डिटेल में इसको पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। ये 5 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, आपको विद डायग्राम देना पड़ेगा। ये मैंने डायग्राम अब रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ। आइए देखते हैं। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं असेसरी ग्लैंड और प्राइमरी ग्लैंड कौन से होते हैं। असेसरी ग्लैंड वो ग्लैंड होते हैं जो क्रूशियल रोल प्ले करते हैं, असेसरी, और होते हैं एक प्राइमरी। ठीक है, दो होते हैं, एक असेसरी होते हैं, एक प्राइमरी होते हैं। असेसरी ग्लैंड है जैसे टेस्टिस, ओके, ये पेनिस हो गए, ये दोनों क्या है, असेसरी ग्लैंड है। और सेकेंडरी ग्लैंड वास डिफरेंस, स्क्रोटम, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड, ब्लैडर, यूरेटर, ये सभी क्या है, प्राइमरी ग्लैंड। ठीक है, और सबसे पहले हम जहाँ जहाँ पर मैं डॉट लगाऊंगा उसका फंक्शन हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम टेस्टिस का फंक्शन जो है डिस्कस करते हैं। टेस्टिस जो होते हैं पेयर में होते हैं, पेयर के यानी दो। देयर आर 2 टेस्टिस इन 1 मेल इन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, ओके। देयर पेयर ऑफ टेस्टिस and they play a crucial role in male reproductive system as they help in secretion of sperm. The male gamete is also known as sperm or sex cells or germ cell. If you write germ cell, you should have to write germ cell of male is called as sperm. And what role is played by scrotum? Scrotum is a pouch-like structure. Where testes are present. Scrotum is a pouch-like structure, and the testes are placed in scrotum, and the temperature of scrotum is 2 to 3 degrees Celsius low than the normal body temperature to form sperms. Sperms can never be formed if the temperature of the scrotum is not less than 2 to 3 degrees Celsius than the body temperature. We had done the function of testis and scrotum, and then we are going to discuss the function of vas deferens. Vas deferens, you are able to write that it make a connecting link between testis and urinary bladder. देखो, see, grows from here and passes to here. Okay, so you are able to write that it make a connection between testis and urinary bladder. After that, we are going to discuss the function of urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, if a question will come, what is the function of urinary bladder? You are also able to write that it help in storage of sperm, storage of urine. But if they ask a question to you, what is the function of urinary bladder in human male reproductive system, you should have to write that it play an important role in the passage of sperm. It form a passage of sperm to pass from here to penis and thrown out from the body. And then urinary bladder, I had told you the function of urinary bladder, and then you should have to learn about prostate gland. Prostate gland will release alkaline or basic secretion. They will release basic secretion that will neutralize the acidic effect of uterus in female. Okay, and then if we learn about seminal vesicles, Here it is not given, but these are seminal vesicles. These are seminal vesicles. These are okay. This is seminal vesicles. They help in easier transportation of sperm as it will release fluid which will make sperm milky as well. You are also able to write that seminal vesicles and prostate gland play a crucial role in easy transportation of sperms. Okay, and then if you go to our penis, it is a passage that help in transportation of sperm. It will inject. You should able to write the word inject. It help in injecting the sperm from male body to female body. Okay, and then urethra, it is the common passage for sperm as well as urine. Urethra or ureter or urinary bladder, sperm, sperm, urine, they all are related. Okay, that's all about the male reproductive system parts. And if you want to gain 5 marks in boards, you should have to draw diagram as well of the human male reproductive system, and also you should have to write the functions. That's all about today's video. Thank you.